Over 60, these three cheeses rebuild muscle and fight sarcopenia fast. Cheese often gets a bad rap, doesn't it? We're told it's too fatty, too salty, a guilty pleasure we should probably avoid. But what if I told you that was outdated advice? What if the key to fighting back against age-related muscle loss, that feeling of getting a little weaker or less steady each year, wasn't some expensive supplement, but was actually hiding in your refrigerator? That's right. Today we're going to reveal 3 everyday cheeses that are scientifically proven to help rebuild lean muscle. I'll show you exactly which ones to choose and how to use them to unlock your body's full potential for strength, which is our entire mission here at Nitro Wellness. The real challenge after 60. First, let's be honest about the challenge we're facing. As we get older, our bodies change. After we pass 60, our muscles can become stubborn. They stop responding to the protein we eat the way they used to. This biological shift is called anabolic resistance, and it's the main reason you might feel weaker, even when you think you're eating well. The fix? We have to be smarter. That's the Nitro Wellness philosophy in a nutshell. We need protein that's incredibly rich in a specific amino acid called leucine. Think of leucine as the ignition key that starts the muscle-building engine in your body. And as it turns out, certain cheeses are overflowing with it. So if you've been skipping the cheese aisle, you've been missing out on one of the most powerful, delicious, and simple tools for staying strong and independent. Let's start with our first muscle-building hero. The overnight muscle guardian, cottage cheese. First on our list is the humble and surprisingly powerful cottage cheese. I know what you're thinking. It brings back memories of sad 1980s diet plates, probably next to a canned peach half, right? But I'm asking you to forget that picture, because ounce for ounce, this cheese is a strategic weapon for building muscle as we age. So what makes it so special? The secret is the kind of protein it has. About 80% of the protein in cottage cheese is casein. This is crucial. Casein is a slow-release protein. When you eat it, it delivers a steady, sustained stream of amino acids to your muscles over 6, 7, or even 8 hours. Imagine it not as a fire hose, but as a slow-drip irrigation system, feeding your muscles exactly what they need, all day or all night. This kind of powerful, science-backed insight is what we're all about at Nitro Wellness. So make sure you're subscribed so you never miss out. What I truly love about cottage cheese for my older clients is how easy it is to use. I hear it all the time. People have trouble chewing tough meats, or their appetite just isn't what it used to be. Cottage cheese solves all of that. It's soft, creamy, and gentle on the digestive system, all while delivering a huge protein payload, around 12 to 14 grams in a half-cup serving, without making you feel stuffed.
Here are some practical, delicious ways to use it. For a powerhouse breakfast, forget sugary jams. Spread a generous layer of cottage cheese on a slice of hearty whole-grain toast. Top it with sliced tomatoes, a crack of black pepper, and a light drizzle of olive oil. As a satisfying snack, mix half a cup of cottage cheese with a handful of chopped walnuts for healthy fats and a dash of cinnamon. It tastes like a dessert, but works like medicine. Boost your eggs. Make your scrambled eggs lighter and fluffier by whisking in a tablespoon or 2 before you cook them. It's a simple, invisible way to add a major protein boost to a classic meal. The fast-acting recovery fuel, ricotta cheese. Cottage cheese is your overnight guardian. But what about right after activity? After you've been gardening, gone for a brisk walk, or carried in the groceries? For that, you need a cheese with a rapid response power. Our second muscle-building champion is the wonderfully versatile ricotta cheese. Most people only think of ricotta in one place, lasagna. And because of that, they assume it's heavy and unhealthy. But its creamy, luscious texture hides a powerful secret. Ricotta is traditionally made from whey, giving it a natural 1-2 punch of both whey and casein proteins. We just talked about casein, our slow-release protector. Whey is its fast-acting partner. It's the sprinter. Whey is one of the fastest-absorbing proteins you can possibly eat. Think of it like this. After any physical effort, your muscles are crying out for repair materials. The whey protein in ricotta is the rapid response team. It rushes leucine and other amino acids to your muscle cells almost instantly, flipping the switch to start rebuilding. Then, the casein protein follows up like the full construction crew, delivering a slow, steady supply of materials for the next several hours. It's the perfect combination for post-activity recovery. And just like cottage cheese, ricotta's soft texture makes it incredibly easy to eat. It's also naturally lower in sodium than many other cheeses, a huge plus for anyone keeping an eye on their blood pressure. Let's talk about some simple, elegant ways to use it. And that simplicity is the Nitro Wellness Promise. Powerful results from easy changes. Hit subscribe to keep getting more. A beautiful breakfast. Instead of butter, top a piece of whole grain toast with a generous dollop of fresh ricotta, a drizzle of honey, and a handful of fresh berries. You get fast and slow proteins, healthy carbs, and antioxidants all in one. Enrich your sauces. Stir a spoonful of ricotta into a simple tomato sauce for pasta. It adds a luxurious creaminess and a shot of protein without the heaviness of cream. A healthy dessert. For a guilt-free treat, mix ricotta with a little vanilla extract and some unsweetened cocoa powder. In seconds, you have a high-protein chocolate mousse that feels indulgent but is actively rebuilding your body.
The nutrient-dense powerhouse, Parmesan cheese. So we have our overnight guardian and our post-activity recovery fuel. Now it's time for our third cheese, which I call the nutrient-dense powerhouse, Parmesan. As we get older, our appetites can shrink, making it a real challenge to get enough protein. This is where Parmesan becomes your secret weapon. Uncovering nutritional secrets like this is the whole reason the Nitro Wellness channel exists. So if you're finding this helpful, make sure you're subscribed. Ounce for ounce, Parmesan has more protein than almost any other common cheese. A single 1-ounce serving, about the size of your thumb, delivers a staggering 10 grams of high-quality protein. That's more than you'd get in a large egg, in a much smaller, easier-to-eat package. But Parmesan's real superpower is its incredible leucine content. Remember leucine, the master switch for muscle growth? Parmesan is one of the richest food sources of it on the planet. Just a small sprinkle provides a potent dose of the exact amino acid your body needs to overcome anabolic resistance and command your muscles to grow stronger. On top of that, the same 1-ounce serving delivers over 25% of your daily calcium, which is critical for keeping your bones strong and preventing fractures. And because it's aged, the lactose is broken down, making it much easier to digest for those with lactose sensitivity. The beauty of Parmesan is its simplicity. Supercharge your meals, grate a generous amount over your scrambled eggs, a bowl of lentil soup, or a green salad. You'll add a delicious, savory flavor and an instant, high-quality protein boost. Fortify your vegetables. Tossing a spoonful of grated Parmesan over steamed broccoli or roasted asparagus is one of the easiest health upgrades you can make. It transforms a simple side dish into a true protein source. Bringing it all together, a simple strategy for strength after 60. So how do we actually use this information in real life? That's always the million-dollar question, isn't it? At Nitro Wellness, our mission has always been clear. Take the latest science and translate it into simple, doable daily actions that help you feel stronger, more stable, and more confident in your own body without extreme diets or unrealistic routines. And this cheese strategy is a perfect example of that. We've talked about the why behind these 3 powerful cheeses. Now let's focus on the how to make them work for your body, your life, and your goals. The secret isn't eating more, it's eating smart. Let's be honest, no one is asking you to eat a giant block of cheese at every meal. That's not what this is about. This is about being strategic, using small, smart portions of the right kinds of cheese at the right times of day to support the right outcomes. Think of cheese not as a treat or a splurge, but as a targeted nutritional tool, one that's easy to digest, rich in the exact amino acids your body needs, and even comforting and familiar. For portion sizes, here's a good rule of thumb. Ricotta or cottage cheese, around half a cup is plenty. That's enough to provide a meaningful boost of protein without feeling heavy. Parmesan or other hard cheeses, 1 ounce is enough. That's roughly the size of your thumb, and it packs a powerful protein and calcium punch. These are realistic, enjoyable amounts that fit easily into a regular day of eating without disrupting your preferences or lifestyle. Let's walk through a simple, strong day. Here's how you can structure a full day with these muscle-loving cheeses, using a routine that's kind to your body and keeps your muscles fed from sunrise to bedtime.
Morning. Ricotta for fast recovery. Let's say you begin your day with a short walk, some gentle stretching, or maybe just your usual morning chores. Right after that activity, your muscles are in a prime state to receive nutrients. They're hungry for repair tools. This is where ricotta shines. It's a fast-absorbing protein, and when paired with a little whole grain or fruit, it becomes a perfect recovery food. Try this. Toast a slice of hearty, fiber-rich whole grain bread. Spread on a generous spoonful of fresh ricotta. Top it with sliced strawberries or blueberries, a light drizzle of honey, and maybe a sprinkle of chia seeds. What you've just made is more than breakfast. It's a muscle repair formula that's gentle, tasty, and deeply nourishing. Midday. Parmesan to fortify your meals. Lunchtime is the perfect opportunity to sneak in more protein without adding bulk or heaviness. And Parmesan is the ideal companion. Don't think of it as just a topping. Think of it as a strength booster in disguise. Even a small amount delivers 10 grams of protein, a powerful dose of leucine, and more than 25% of your daily calcium. Ideas for lunch. Sprinkle grated Parmesan over a bowl of lentil or vegetable soup. Toss it with steamed greens like broccoli or spinach. Or mix it into scrambled eggs or a simple quinoa salad. This isn't about making fancy meals. It's about elevating the foods you already love with a handful of ingredients that work harder for your health. Evening. Cottage cheese as an overnight guardian. Here's where most people forget to protect their muscles. During sleep. As we sleep, our body naturally breaks down muscle for energy. And for women over 60, whose bodies are already less efficient at using protein, this breakdown can be especially fast and damaging. But cottage cheese solves that problem. Thanks to its slow-digesting casein protein, a small evening serving acts like a gentle time-release formula, delivering amino acids steadily throughout the night. Ideas before bed. A small bowl, half a cup, of cottage cheese with cinnamon and a few chopped walnuts. Or mix it with a spoonful of almond butter and a few slices of banana. Even a savory version, cottage cheese with cracked pepper and sliced cherry tomatoes, can be delicious and soothing. This is one of the simplest, most powerful tools you can add to your routine to stop overnight muscle loss in its tracks. A note on calories and concerns. Now, I know some of you might be wondering about the calories. It's a fair concern, especially if you've spent years hearing that cheese is fattening or off-limits. But here's what I tell every single client. Calories from protein-rich foods that build muscle and protect your bones are not the enemy. In fact, they're one of the most important investments you can make in your future strength. Why? Because when you build muscle, you're also boosting your metabolism. You're improving your balance. You're reducing your risk of falls. You're adding years of independence to your life. And all of that is worth a few more calories a day. From knowledge to action. So let's zoom out for a moment. You now know what anabolic resistance is, why leucine is so critical, which 3 cheeses are rich in it, and how to use them strategically, morning, noon, and night. But, as I always say, knowledge without action changes nothing.
And the beautiful part, this action is simple. It's not about cutting things out. It's about adding in just the right things at just the right time in ways that actually fit your life. Your next step, join the Nitro Wellness community. If this kind of science-backed, real-life guidance speaks to you, then it's time to take your next step towards strength and vitality. Hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of smart, motivated women who are choosing strength, clarity, and wellness after 60. And before you go, I want to hear from you. Which of these 3 cheeses are you most excited to try? How will you use it in your day? Let me know in the comments. I read every one, and your stories inspire not just me, but other women on this same journey. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Here's to your strength, your independence, and the amazing life still ahead of you. Your stronger self is waiting.